a sad story.
Well, so help me Almighty God, Clifford. If I were know, say this is the blasted destruction and judgment I'd take on for myself. When time you when I father help me fractal, Clifford, I would have run for me life. Clifford, imagine say God of heaven, Master God's son barely come up, and you drunk as bat. Clifford, you know, sister, you are whole house. Clifford, you know, sister, you tumble down, you come tumble down for me with your destruction. Mike, somebody went pinch me and tell me, say, I saw you when I got turn out. Not heed my shit house with 2 sheet of rusty zinc, conditioner dark, so. Dear David Light.
Are you a stress?
What are you mean to tell me? Blasted cruff. You know what me happy for? I know God. And you better thank God. For if Mavis never know God in here this morning, I'd rather show you something in here this morning with that quart buckle there where you drink out. You go turn right out here and drink until you piss upon yourself. You blasted cruff.
And me and the destruction. You and Big Jazz and his at the destruction. Hey. Inez, Big Jazz, Inez. Hey. If me,
Clifford,
I shit a road. Me see Mavis and Big Jazz Inez I go. Me a sit down in a heat. Me say me a do. Read him.
I have a sad story to tell you.
Wallet. Mama them always have come and fall a run in a day yard. Run. When time, evening time come, hey, come and fall. The roost runner hillside who you're on. We are on so. You see when you go round a hillside way, come and fall roost there. You look. You look on the dot under a fall roost. Pure seats under fall roost, you know. Fall roost up this so. Streets of limb, Akilim, pure seat under full roofs. Down here, sir. Mama and Papa them always say, once you go under full roofs, full shit fire. Me creep up. All Mavis them say, me I got turn them in a wife. And I know, say, she fall rose here. I see me and that. I me this. And I fall rose here. Say, me, I'm married to Mavis.
I have a sad story to tell you.
We could turn it around and put it another way. Down a yard with Mama and Papa. We always have mongrel dog. Mongrel dog. A whole heap of dog in a yard. Mama and Papa always say, you lie with dog, you get up with Philly. Ticks and Philly, they put like a one time, eh? One time, dog used to have ticks. One silver ticks. Get under. For me see bag, you know? A hospital. Me end up, you know? Nearly dead. But the nurse, them, did sex. God did do. And come back and see me. Clifford, Mama and Papa, first born, and a full rose.
I have a sad story to tell you.
Wally. Select. You play with Puppy and Puppy.
Old boy Clifford,
Hey!
how you love Jerry and his nephew, some man. I junk your junk early, man.
Man, kiss me.
Don't go around the bad one.
You know what is true.
Mighty God, I never see a man love white rum.
Where you go?
Me a go down a spray, go look for 5 pound of fertilizer retail for throwing in me ground and see if me dey catch him man in a drop on.
When you good on guy, you good down the road.
Why you wire now?
If you see money, tell him say me a call him.
You say missing money. Boy, Clifford, you know bad done. Don't put bad up there your mouth.
Read him.
I have a sad story to tell you.